Cleaning up the dirty donut, why operating room air isn't as clean as it should be. You may think that operating room air is clean, but think again. Most areas of an operating room are no cleaner than regular hospital rooms. In fact, studies have shown that they're laden with airborne bacteria, which can cause surgical site infections. Here's why. The basic layout of an operating room consists of the surgical table in the center with access doors on both sides. Clean air vents are above the surgical table, which blow air downward. This creates a clean air zone around the table. So far, so good. Here's the problem. Operating rooms are cluttered with equipment, including instrument tables, lights, and booms are further obstructions. Additionally, you have the doors swinging open, allowing dirty air to enter the room from outside. The nice, clean airflow is disrupted, but that's not all. The dirtiest part of the room is the people. This shows the walking zone of just 4 personnel. The personnel serve to physically block airflow and are main sources for contamination within the OR. These people walk freely between in and out of the clean zone, carrying contamination with them. The main sources for air contamination in the operating room are the floor, human activity, and door opening, allowing outside contamination to enter. So here's what happens. The clean central air is surrounded by a much more contaminated area. This is the dirty donut, and this area can have air contamination 100 times greater than the center. So why is this a big deal? As long as the center is clean, the surgical site should be safe, right? Wrong. The dirty donut will contaminate people, surgical drapes, instrumentation, implants, gloves, and tables, which are in direct communication with the patient. This phenomenon is called entrainment, and it's the most common way for bacteria to reach the surgical site. Fortunately, there's a way to fight the dirty donut. A supplemental air decontamination system can be placed in the dirty area. The Aerobiotics Alluvia system uses ultraviolet irradiation to achieve ultra-clean air output and reduce air contamination, air bacterial levels, and surgical infection rates. So if you're concerned about surgical site infections and your dirty donut, contact Aerobiotics for an in-OR demonstration.